In this video, I will show you exactly how to unsubscribe Google Payment. First of all, open up the web browser on your PC. Then from here, click on three dots from top right corner. Now from here, click on Manage your Google account. Once you get into your Google account, click on Payment and Subscription. Then it will take you to the Payment and Subscriptions page. After that, scroll down on the Management Payment page. You will find the Subscriptions option here. Simply click to manage subscriptions. Then click on Google One and you will be able to see the details of upcoming charges, primary payment method, backup payment method. To find the details, simply click to manage it. You can also cancel your subscription from here. Find the service or subscription you want to cancel and select the appropriate option to cancel or manage it. Complete the cancellation process by following any on-screen instructions. Always double check the terms of cancellations, as some subscriptions might require you to cancel a certain number of days before the next billing cycle. If you face difficulties, you can also contact Google support for assistance. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.